Writing to a tag in Field Maps on an iOS device, multiple tags. Open the Field Maps app. Search for the map you want to use. As you type, maps that don't match will be filtered out. Select the desired map. It should zoom into your current location. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner to add a new point. After adding the point, complete the form that appears. Once the form is filled out, tap Submit in the upper right-hand corner. After submitting, scroll down and find Launch Right RFID iOS since we're using an Apple device, and tap that link. Point the RFID reader at the tag and pull the trigger. If you see a message like multiple markers detected, it means the reader found more than one tag nearby. The InfraMarker system doesn't know which tag to write to. You now have 3 options. Try again. Adjust the read power. Abort the operation. We're going to adjust the read power. Lower the read power slightly. Make sure no other tags are nearby. Once you've done that, point the RFID reader at the tag again and pull the trigger. If everything goes well, you'll return to the form. Check the InfraMarker ID field to confirm that it has been filled with a valid ID. Finally, tap Submit in the upper right-hand corner once more. And that's how you write to a tag when multiple tags are detected during the write process.